everyone, I'm here today at one of the most important mines in Brazil to compare a FanTR M-Flow unit with a 1200 millimeter diameter and 100 horsepower to a competitor's model. Both pieces of equipment are installed here in this mine, and you can see that the galleries have the same diameter and are positioned in completely similar locations. And I'm going to take measurements here between our equipment, the M-Flow 1200 and the competitors. The difference I found, and I'll show you, is approximately 9 dBA. That's a huge difference in sound emission between equipment of the same size used in the same place. Come here, I'll show you now. Look at the difference. It's clear, straightforward, and direct. It's no longer FanTR showing graphs, showing tables. It's the reality of the fan installed in the mine with all the built-in innovation, which delivers better results and better working conditions for the people working here.